welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick little walkthrough around the 10-day house build. This place has came quite a long way since we've been here, so I'm going to take you guys through the inside of the house, upstairs, and show you around a bit. So now let's get started on the reason I'm here. We came out today, built this staircase right behind me here. That way they have access up to the top. Now we weren't able to build this staircase before because they didn't have the siding painted. They had to paint the bottom section here to where we can get our stringers in, and it wouldn't be a pain to paint later. So we just built these. It's all 4x14. All the way up to the top. Now they still have a redwood handrail to go up and around here, tie back into that corner. So to get started, we're gonna check out the upstairs. I actually haven't been here since we built this place. You guys are seeing it for the first time, and so am I. Now this is an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, meaning it's going to be rented out separate from the bottom. Looks like we've got doors here getting painted. Some cabinetry going in here. Fridge space here. I kind of like these. Oh, they even went with a little soft close. Love that. Curious to see what they're gonna do on countertops. I like that color though, it's contrasty with the white. Beautiful little sill detail here. If you guys recall, that was a 1 in 12 rake. This is a nice sized little spot. Little storage closet here, bathroom to our right. And it's not the biggest bathroom. We've got our shower over here. And then the bedroom. Now the bedroom's actually pretty small. I would have thought they would have made the bedroom a bit bigger and the living room shrunk down a bit, but it's still a pretty decent sized ADU. I love that window there. It lets in quite a bit of light. Nice little closet. Clean work, real clean work. Overall though, that's the ADU. It's a pretty small unit, 600 square feet. Once these doors are out of here, this will open up quite a bit. You've got this beautiful row of windows here that's gonna let a ton of light in. When I walk through homes like this, especially ones that we've built, I always try to plan out how I would lay it out as far as furniture goes, getting your couch in there, your TV, entertainment center. This place is definitely limited on what you can do. You've got the door here, window there, 3 windows there, no TV can get put in. Technically you could put a TV right there and put shades over the 3 windows. I wouldn't want to do that though. This is the most viable option in my opinion, is put the TV here, entertainment center, couch somewhere out in here. This place is definitely livable for a single person. Check out this sill detail. So when we set all of our windows, especially windows that are in a row like this, we make sure that the bottoms and the tops match up perfectly. Not only does it work out for our trim on the outside, but it works out for any sill detail that they have on the inside. Continuous sill detail all the way. Looks awesome. Now I'm going to walk this build with the owner one last time, just so you guys can see it as soon as it's ready for move-in. From there, you guys will get to see all the landscaping, everything finished, move-in ready. That's enough of the top though, let's go check out the bottom. Now not much is going to change on the outside of this place. You guys watched it get sided. It's pretty much where it's at still. So there's nothing new on the outside until this place is painted, but you guys will see that in a later walkthrough. Let's check out the inside. Big transformations in this unit. Load-bearing wall was removed, 4-ply LVLs got dropped in, opened up that kitchen space quite a bit. Personally, I would have ditched these storefronts. Let me know what you guys would do down in the comments. So we're gonna start at the back bedrooms and work our way through the house. This is the existing unit. None of this was framed by us. Windows were installed when we sided on the outside, but all of this was pretty much here when we got here. This is bedroom number 1. Same little closets here. These rooms aren't all that big. So we've got another bedroom here. This one has quite a bit more light. We've got the 4 windows here instead of just the 2. You also get your own bathroom here. Just to where you guys know, the town that we're building in is a really big college town. Therefore, almost all of these places are built just for the purpose of renting to college students. they rent them for a fortune as well. A typical home rents for $1,800 to $2,000, $2,500 a month. This place, I guarantee you though, with the ADU up top, that's gonna rent alone for $1,200, $1,300, maybe $1,400. The bottom here existing and then the new construction that we built totals 5 rooms, I believe. That's gonna bring in anywhere from $5,000 to $6,000. In total, you're looking at over $6,000 in rent just from this one place. That's nothing compared to the mortgage. The only downside to that is the fact that you have college kids living in your house. We watch the next door neighbors pretty much trash their place. So chances are your house isn't going to stay as good for long. Bathroom's all tiled. Still need to finish up over there, it looks like. So this is the master bedroom here. You get the big closet, your own private bathroom. That's big here. That's not too common. This room here has this bathroom. Same tile setup, showers there. Not bad at all. So I don't know if you guys recall, but there was a load-bearing wall all in here. They removed that, put in a beam from over there to over there. Footings were reinforced here and there to hold all that weight. Kitchen's opened up. Same style cabinets that are up in the ADU. Obviously they still need all their hardware on, but I love these soft shut. That's nice. There's quite a bit of people in this house though. There will be 7, 8, 10 people in here. You need a pretty big kitchen for all of them. Let's check out the rest of the place. Tile guy has music going right now, so not sure how much audio we're gonna get, but we'll go check it out. So this was all existing as well. We built right off the back side of here. So let's go check out the stuff we framed. We've got the back bedroom here. This is the bedroom that has the deck right above it. If there's ever going to be a problem on this house, it's going to be right here. That deck, if it ever leaks, is leaking right down onto living space. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of that design, but it's what they wanted. Quite a bit of light in this room as well from these windows. Bigger bedrooms than on the existing as well. Nice sized closet in here. So if I recall, the bedroom next to this one is the same exact size, same style too. Same layout, one window there, 2 over here. You get the decent sized closet as well. On this place, if you recall when we sided it, they had to dense glass the exterior of just the bottom here. They also had to run 2 layers of 5/8 drywall for the lid. Now that's for fire separation from one unit to the next. The ADU is right above us. I think we've got one more bedroom to check out here. You can see how much darker it gets when you walk into these rooms that don't have a lot of windows. It's crazy. Personally, I love all that natural light coming through. Now we've got a smaller room here. Single window over here does not let in too much light. Little closet here behind me. And then across the hallway, the tile guy is currently working on the bathroom. He has music playing, so chances are I'm gonna cut the audio on this. Now the cool thing about this bathroom, if you guys look in here, they can shut the door to the shower, still use the bathroom. It's gonna be needed in a house with this many people. Overall, this house has come a long ways from what it was. I'll have a few little previews from when we first started. You guys can see exactly what we showed up to, see how far it's come. They turned a pretty small unit into something that's gonna be rented out for quite a bit of money, so I'd say they did well on it. Like I mentioned, I'll be back one more time to walk this place again with the owner to where you guys can see everything. That'll be after all the landscaping is done, paint's finished on the exterior, everything is complete. You guys will get one last look at it before the renters move in. For those of you that maybe didn't watch the 10-day house build, we'll walk the exterior of this place. If you watched the 10-day house build, you already saw all this. So from the storefronts out to here and all the way around, this was all existing. We tied in with the 2 boxes stacked on top of each other out back. So like I told you guys, when we set all of our windows, we make sure that they're lined up with one another. That way when you go to do your trim on the inside or your trim on the outside, it lines up perfect. Check this out. We'll use a level and go from here all the way over to there to make sure that the bottom is perfect, along with the top up there. That way when you put this trim on here, you don't end up with a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch gap. As you can see, it looks good all the way across. So now we tied in with new fascia here. As you can see, the ends kind of beat up. They will have to fill that before they paint. We've got board and batten siding going all the way up. 1 3/4 bats instead of 2 1/2 like we're used to using. Here's the back side of the unit here. As you can see, deck runs out over here. We were just in that little bedroom there. Not the biggest project, not even close, but a fun one nonetheless. But I think I'm gonna head on out of here, guys. If you haven't watched the 10-day house build and you want to, go ahead and click the icon on the top right hand corner. You can watch days 1 through 8. Along with that, I have a video that hit over 400,000 views called Building a House in 9 Minutes. It's a construction time lapse showing start to finish. and watch that as well. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more walkthroughs of projects once we're gone, check the progress and see how they're going, leave a comment down below and let me know. Make sure to leave a big like on this video, hit the subscribe button down below, almost to 50,000. That's all we got time for though, guys. I'll catch you next time.